Okay, now we are into lesson 12 and or operators. Okay, so this will be a little bit tricky, and again, it's like general plain English. I want apple that is red and that is fresh, something like that. I want an apple that is yellow and price is less than $10. So see, I'm talking general English, so that's how you pick apples from the store, right? Or oranges, whatever products you pick. So you're applying, you will say that okay, I need a product that is fresh and cheaper. So you are actually applying this and clause in your day-to-day life, right? And sometimes if you don't find anything, you say okay, fine, I want it cheaper, or it's fresher. You might say okay, I don't want to apply both the condition, I want to apply only one condition to make it easy to find a product, right? So that's how it's related to here in the SQL world. Both are logical operators used in SQL. They are called as logical operators. Okay, to combine multiple conditions in where clause. So far we have looked at where is null, where is not null, where age equal to 20, or where birth year between. We have looked such. So that means it was only one condition. But what if I want to apply both the conditions, right? In the where clause. So that's where and or comes into picture. So this is the syntax, and most importantly, when you are using and or, make sure to use parentheses. Otherwise, you might not get your desired result set. Because if you don't apply parentheses, like like our mathematical question, 3 plus 4 minus 2 divided by 10, then multiplied by 100, right? So what is the answer? You don't, it is multiplication applied first, or division applied first, or plus or minus, right? So same thing here. So and takes precedence over r if you don't have parentheses. Again, in our mathematics, if you say 5 plus 4, irrespective of the order, 5 will be added to 4, then it will be multiplied or divided. Same thing here. Okay, so always I recommend, please have use parentheses whenever you are using and or, because you have written the code, you have left the company, if someone else is coming, you have written 2 times and 10 times or in a query, people will go crazy to understand that. But if you have parentheses, they will know that okay, this condition, then this condition, then this condition, it's readable. Yeah, so let's say that I want to pull all the clients whose gender is male from state of New York. Yeah, this is quite common when you're working in a reporting department trying to print the reports, okay, for a marketing company or for big chain stores. So here you don't get confused with my colors here. Just watch this, green background rows will be pulled because when it is and, it has to satisfy both the conditions. The gender should be male and state should be New York. So it's male, that's why I put it as white. It's New York. So this both. And now here, this gender is male, but they are not from New York, right? That's why I put it red. So these rows will not be picked up, even though it's a greenish color of satisfying on gender, it will not be picked up because the state is not New York. So that's how you apply this and. Okay, and then when you say or, right, or is like bring me all the clients from Miami plus from state PA. So or is like it will if one condition is satisfied, those two rows will be pulled up. That's how you can see here, none of these rows satisfy either of one condition. Here this row, sometimes there might be rows that satisfy both the condition, that will also come back as a result set. Okay, yeah, this is or, and this is where I was talking about having parentheses if you are going to use and or combination of both in a single select statement, right? So you are pretty much, you are clearly saying that irrespective of this condition or condition, I want everyone from state of New York to begin with, right? So all the clients will be picked up from New York, and then show me the clients from Albany, or who has credit limit greater than 7,000. So this is one is from Albany, Albany, that's a city in New York. Okay, and then but this guy is from Islip, but still I am going to pick it on because this condition says whether they should be from this city, or it's okay if they have the credit limit of 7,000, greater than 7,000. So this one will be picked, these two will be picked, and then ultimately all the rows coming back, the state should be New York. So here these rows, the state is New York, but they don't satisfy either Albany or they don't satisfy the salary condition. This might be a little bit tricky, but if you take it yourself, try to write, put it on a paper, try to have a spreadsheet data, then it's very easy. Maybe me talking 10-20 seconds, I know it will be like you might not get this right away, but I'm saying this like you apply this parenthesis one at a time and then try to get back the data. Okay, right.